Today we will going to discuss about cardiac cycle. So our topic of discussion today is cardiac cycle. So why we study about cardiac cycle? Because we know in our heart, if you consider this is our heart, this part is atrium and this part is ventricle. So cardiac cycle is an important topic regarding all UG and PG medical concept. Means you study about in 12th and in 11th, in 12th, in the 11th it is circulatory chapter, it is belongs to, there is a heading of cardiac cycle is present in the medical. There is cardiac cycle is very much important in physiology, prof exam or any type of a viva. So if you remember this particular diagram, I did not make very clearly, not beautifully, but you can understand the schematic diagram of this picture. So you see that a cardiac cycle is consist of, if it is a schematic diagram of a heart. So heart contains what? One pulmonary trunk and one that is our systemic artery. So we know how the heart blood is passing through this artery. How? So this atrium part and the ventricle part both together contract and relax. So contract means squeeze and relax means do not squeeze, so that it is passively they get filled up. So what we study that the atrium part having systole and a diastole. Diastole meaning what? Diastole represent here the relaxation phase where filling of blood will occur. Diastole means filling of blood will occur, whereas systole means the contraction point where pumping out of a blood will occur. Blood get pumped out from the heart. So what is the meaning of a systole and diastole we discover or we discuss. Then we go towards the ventricle part. So ventricle as well as having systole part, another is a diastole part. So in this diagram you clearly see one circle is done for the arterial part, another circle is done for the ventricle part. So you just remember that, you should always remember that there is the systole and the diastole is present. Samely there is ventricular systole and ventricular diastole is present. So here I keep a mark, this mark up to this to this, up to this to this. This part represent ventricular systole part. So this represent ventricular systole and this represent ventricular diastole. Half and 1/4, that is ventricular diastole. Same as in atrial systole and atrial diastole. Atrial systole belongs in the atrial vein, diastole also belongs to atrial systole. So what is it we study after that? We should remember that 4 things we should remember. What are the 4 things we should remember? That is the first heart sound. We always, when we clinically we always face that one sound, that is love, that is first sound, heart sound, and another is a second heart sound, that is loved up pulse. So you see, you feel in the stethoscope 2 sound, that is love and dove. Then before we know that the 4 heart sound are normally present in the heart. So how we only discuss love, dove, and why not all another 2? So another 2 is our third and fourth sound, which are present in the in the disease condition. So first thing we should remember that atrial systole and the atrial diastole. So first heart sound when happen? First heart sound when there will be the which valve is open? There will be atrioventricular valve, that is tricuspid valve. When tri or bi, that is atrioventricular valve when close. When close, a mnemonic you should remember that when there will be relation will be broken, there will be hard sound is found. But when there will be relation is found, when anybody love to anyone, there will be any sound will occur? No. But when broken is occur, then what happened? There will be a breakup सॉन्ग वाला वो सीन आपको याद करके आपको याद आ जाएगा कि क्लोज और ओपन. सो हियर द क्लोज occur when first hard sound will occur. Then after first hard sound there will be isometric contraction occur. What is isometric contraction? So isometric contraction is the contraction which occur during the volume remains same, volume of the ventricle remains same, but the volume remains same, that represent isometric contraction. So volume when same we call isometric contraction. After that the contraction when occur, then what happened? Here the contraction will be occur, then there will be semilunar valve will be present which opens the pulmonary trunk, so blood became pump out. Then isometric contraction occur after, so that the semilunar valve is open. Why? Because the contraction when occur, there will be in the pressure, ventricular pressure and the pulmonary trunk pressure will be what happen? That pulmonary trunk pressure of a pulmonary trunk, that is PT for pulmonary trunk, will be greater than, pressure in the pulmonary will be less than the our ventricular pressure. So what happened? The semilunar valve open, so that maximum injection of blood pump out maximum. Then when the pressure will be less, but initially that happened, but finally when pressure became less, means blood more and more pump out, then what happened? The reduced ejection occur, means blood not more pump out. So that what happened? That there will be a condition occur that our valve will be closed. When a valve will be closed, then we called as a semilunar second heart sound. So when second heart sound is occur, before that there will be a phase come, that is known as a protodiastole phase. So we discuss about all those things regarding ventricle. So blue color mark regarding ventricle. So then after that when valve will be closed, then second heart sound is found. After second heart sound is found, there will be relaxation occur. So relaxation is occur how? That is isometric relaxation, means both ventricle get relaxed but the volume remains same, final and initial. You can see these things are present axially. So that is the thing. Then after isometric relaxation occur, then atrioventricular valve will be open. So atrioventricular valve open because of the pressure less in the ventricle. So the pressure inside the lungs is filled, because from the lungs the blood gets into the ventricle, into the atrium. So what happened? The filling of blood when increase, the filling of blood when get increase, the pressure increase, and the pressure when increase, it causes atrioventricular valve open. But if this valve is not correct, then there will be not open, there will be closing occur, then will be found third heart sound. So in that period, then isometric relaxation occur. After isometric relaxation, we found the fast when open, here the isometric not present, here the fast rapid filling occur. How? Because the valve when what happened? Valve will open. When open, then blood will be goes down from atrium to ventricle. So what happened? The fast rapid filling in the atrium occur, and then slow filling occur. Samely reduce ejection and slow filling occur. Then last rapid filling occur. Then this valve will be closed. This valve will be closed, and the fast heart sound is found. So in this way we discuss about the ventricular changes during the cardiac cycle. So atrial systole is nothing but it is only about 0.1 second, whereas atrial diastole is about 0.7 second. Here nothing will be changes, so much drastic changes was not found in the cardiac cycle, so that we do not discuss. But in later video we discuss about the atrial part, and a clear summation of the video we will found. Thank you. I hope you understand well. So please remember this cycle, and you should remember that our the time that is here 0.5 second occur, and then what happened, 0.11 maximum injection period is 0.11, then reduced injection period is our 0.14 second reduced injection, then here 0.2 post diastole is about 0.4 second, that is 0.4 second, then semi isometric relation occur, isometric relation that is about what, that is about 0.08 second, 08 second, then fast rapid 0.12 second, and last diastolic slow filling we are 0.16 second, and last thing which is last rapid filling is about 0.10 second. So in this way we discuss about the time and about the cardiac cycle, ventricular changes during the cardiac cycle. I hope you understand. Please remember all the time and what are the phases one after other. Thank you.